Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from AppSolve giving tips to Salesforce. Okay, so today we're gonna learn more about Salesforce fields type. So now we're gonna go to edit object, then we need to create a new field and see what type that field can be. So when we click on new, so let's say we are on the lead object, so we have many types of the Salesforce fields. So let's say auto number. The auto number is a system generated sequence number that uses a display format you define. The number is automatically incremented for each new record. So if we click on that auto number, we can see that there's a field name label, that's the field name. So we learned about that. So display format. Okay, so there is an example A0000. Maybe we can do that as because we are in the lead object, we can say L then dash squiggly brackets open and close and zeros. So the starting number, let's say we're gonna start from 1. Generate auto number for existing records. There is an option that that will see what records we have on the lead object and will auto generate number for these existing records. So then the field name will be auto populated. Let's say lead number. Okay, when we click on anywhere here, that will be auto populated. So description and help text. After that, we're gonna create that field, but we don't need to create that. The need for this video, it's to learn about the types of the fields we have in Salesforce. Okay, so then let's see another type. Okay, so we have formula. So this one we're gonna use in the future, which require a little bit of code to meet your requirements on that field. So let's say we need to, okay, so yeah, so for this formula type, we have many types, so that formula will return something. So what is the type of that thing? So is it a checkbox? Is it a currency, date time, number, percent, text, time? So let's say we need to check for the amount of that lead. Let's say there is like a code for that lead, and I need to check this checkbox if the lead amount exceeded 30,000. So we're gonna write that down in the formula. So yeah, so if that, so we're gonna use an if statement. If the amount is bigger than or equal 30,000, please set that to true. Okay, so that's it about the auto number and the formula field. Now there's a lookup relationship and external lookup relationship. They are a little bit similar together, but the lookup relationship that will let you choose a record. Let's say on this person here, we're gonna have, let's say, the lead owner. So the lead owner gonna have a related list. Let's say we are searching for David here. So we're gonna select David already in our user object, and David has a record under the user object, so it will appear here. Okay, so the next one, which is external lookup relationship. The external lookup relationship that may, let's say we need to make a lookup, and the lookup will be to the record fields, to other object. Like, so we're gonna look up another object. This another object have records. So let's say we're gonna look up of one of these records. One of these records has a fields, so we can relate these fields to that object, let's say the lead object. And in the next video we will continue on the next types. We have many types. Maybe we're gonna divide this video for 3 videos. And thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content. Thanks.